Dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you guys about difference between router versus bridge. A router is an internet working device that works at the network layer of the OSI, Open System Interconnection model. A router is connected to two or more networks and forwards packets from one network to another. Whereas a bridge is a network device that mainly operates at the data link layer of the OSI, Open System Interconnection model. I am telling about where and how it will be used. Dear friends, please watch my video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment on my video. Router versus bridge. The basic difference between bridge and router is that bridge is a network device mainly operating at the data link layer of the OSI, Open Systems Interconnection model, with filtering and forwarding capabilities. While router is an internet working device operating at the network layer of the OSI, Open Systems Interconnection model. A router is attached to the two or more networks and forwards packets from one network to another. Definition of router. A router can be defined as a network layer mechanism, be it software or hardware, using metrics to decide the best path to use for transmission of network traffic. A router is a device that routes or forward data from one network to other based on their IP address. When data packet is received from the router inspects the data's IP address and determines if the packet is meant for its own network. Then it receives the data, or if the data is for another network, then it transfers the data to the other network. It means that routers only forward the data if destination computer is the intended user. Routers have access to network layer addresses and contain software that enables them to determine which of the several possible paths between those addresses is the best for the particular transmission. Routers break up broadcast and collision domains. It means broadcasts are not forwarded through the router by default. It also provides connections for the virtual LANs, VLANs. Definition of bridge. A bridge operates on two layers of OSI, Open Systems Interconnection model, that are physical layer and a data link layer. A bridge can divide a large network into smaller segments and is also used to connect to originally separated LANs. The purpose of a bridge is to transmit the frame between two separate LANs. When a bridge receives a frame, it regenerates the signal and checks the destination address of the frame and forwards the new copy of the frame only to the segment to which it belongs. A bridge does not broadcast the frame to all the stations. In the receiver segment, it only forwards the frame to destination receiver station. Working of a bridge steps. Let us understand the working of a bridge in the following steps. A bridge receives a frame which contains its destination address on it. A bridge maintains a lookup table which contains the physical address of all the stations that are connected to it. It compares the destination address in the frame with the addresses in the lookup table. If a match is found, then the bridge recognizes to which segment the packet belongs and forward the packet to its destination station. Types of bridge. Simple bridge. It is the least expensive bridge. Connects only two LANs. Addresses in the lookup table are fed manually. Maintenance is time-consuming than cost-saving. Multiport bridge. Connects more than two LANs. Transparent bridge. Dynamically builds its lookup table and keeps the table updating during its bridging operations. Key differences between bridge and router. Number 1. Bridge functions at data link layer, while router operates at the network layer of the OSI Open Systems Interconnection model. Number 2. The bridge can relay frame from one segment to another, whereas router store and forward packets. Number 3. Routers are not transparent to the end stations. In contrast, bridges are transparent to the end stations and does not rely on the protocol. Number 4. In a bridge, frames are forwarded on the basis of the MAC address of the frame, as against router checks logical address, example, IP address of the packets. Number 5. The router can work on more than broadcast domain, while bridge can work on a single broadcast domain. Conclusion. Both bridge and router work on different layers of OSI Open Systems Interconnection model and differ in functionality too. But a router is more intelligent device than a bridge because routers can facilitate layer-to bridging functions if required and can concurrently route through the same interface. Although it cannot eliminate the use of bridge. The reason is that it cannot regenerate signals like a bridge. Dear friends, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment on my video. I will keep making these types of useful videos in future. So stay connected and make sure to subscribe. My channel is growing continuously due to your support. Thank you.